Myanmar, and we are at the moment in Hsipaw at the train station. You don't see that much of the train station. And we go to Pyin Oo Lwin by train, and we cross a really nice bridge. So that's the plan for today, and we will bring you guys with us.
Oh, noodles! There it is. We will cross it now. That's freaking deep. Is that a deep?
That's really deep.
That was impressive. We survived it.
Yeah.
It is now 2 days ago that we arrived in Pyin Oo Lwin. We didn't record that much in the last days because Ian was a little bit under the weather. Not feeling so good, we're quite sick. But now we are all feeling much better again, and we did a motorbike trip with 3 of us on that bike to a waterfall close to Pyin Oo Lwin. And we're gonna go for a swim.
Yay!
Already regretting your choice of shoes?
I do.
Shit! Sweet puppies?
Yeah, we're gonna take them to Holland and Germany.
Really?
Ja. Hi puppies. Oh, het is met de camera wel heel leuk. Woohoo! We made it to the top again. It was a long, warm walk, but we made it. And now, oh, you hear it already. There's an amazing pagoda, and we asked for permission to fly the drone around it, and they gave us the permission, so let's go.
Some well-deserved coffee and food after an exhausting day. Where do we go next?
Mandalay.
This time no 10-hour bus trip, but
No,
only
just
2 hours. Okay, that's easy. Where are we?
Bagan Bridge.
In?
Mandalay.
And that bridge is how old?
Built in 1870 maybe?
Yeah,
Okay.
approximately. And
And
it's
it's the longest walking bridge.
1.2 kilometers long.
Okay, then let's go there. Walking up Mandalay Hill. How many stairs, Rian?
I don't know, over 800? Nearly at the top, and the view is already pretty good.
We are on a boat.
Yes.
Where do we go?
We go to pagoda, a really beautiful white one.
In Bagan, the 8th of April, so that means today we are 3 years in a relationship. We just came in our room in our really nice hotel in Bagan, and this was waiting for us. Little surprise for my girl. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Unfortunately, we have to leave Rian in the room again. Again. But for sunset I think he will be fit enough to join.
I hope so.
So get well soon, take your rest, and Kaylee and I will now explore Bagan.
Yay.
First pagoda, definitely not the biggest or most impressive one, but we were told that over here, this is one of the only pagodas where you can still go in and climb up to watch the sunset or the sunrise.
They're looking at me. You see them?
Oh yeah.
So many.
Okay, this seems to be the only way up. It's a small hole and it's full of thorns, so might be difficult. I'm gonna go back on our e-bike. Over here you're not allowed to have a real motorbike. Well-deserved lunch. Enjoy.
Thanks.
Watching the sunset. The sunset yesterday was pretty nice already, and now Kelly and I decided to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning to also watch the sunrise. We had another pagoda and we hope for a beautiful sunrise soon. Riding the Tesla e-bike. Okay. Okay, go.
I go?
Everything is packed. We're ready.
Ready to go.
But there's no Grab or taxi available, so hopefully we're in time. But we're definitely in time. Nu stopt het.
Party.
Party?
Yeah. Okay.
4 days? 5 days?
Nearly at the airport.
Kelly, did you like it in Myanmar?
I liked it a lot, especially with you two.
You had a good time?
We had a lovely time.
Now it's time to say goodbye.
Yeah.
Bye, Kelly.
Bye bye.
It is Saturday, the 13th of April, the first day of the water festival, Thingyan, right?
Yeah.
Thingyan. In Myanmar. In Thailand, they also celebrate it, but call it Songkran.
Yep.
And it's basically a huge water fight in the whole city. We don't know exactly what to expect, but I think it's gonna be really, really crazy. And we're gonna go outside. It's still in the morning, 9:30 or something, but that's when it starts. 4 days of madness over here. We bring the GoPro and show you how Thingyan Water Festival in Myanmar looks like.
Hollywood, doing it good. Everybody look at Hollywood, doing it good. Everybody look at, everybody look at, everybody look at, everybody look at,
It's Monday the 15th and we are on our way to the airport. We had a really nice day in Myanmar and in the end a really nice party. Thingyan. Also some stuff is still drying, but now new adventures. Let's go to the Philippines.
Curious. Thank you for watching. See you next time.